All right, Mike. Happy Solstice.
Happy Solstice.
The days are getting longer. Thanks for inviting me out to your workshop in the woods.
Well, you're more than welcome. More than welcome.
This is one of my also favorite places, and we're just celebrating. Quick video about the days, but really, this is piquing my interest. And we're talking a lot of videos about repowering, which we're doing with the Nonsuch, but this little boat has some meaning, and I wanted to share it for our viewers and maybe for some of the Nonsuch Association, because you had a clever idea. So you've dabbled in some boat design?
Dabbled in boat design before, done a couple of sailboats for myself and some commercial craft, but...
Wait, so you did like a correspondence course before the internet, right? Did drawings?
I did a Westlawn course, right?
Yeah,
The school of yacht design.
He's such a modest guy. He's like, yeah, I did a little bit of... I believe you lofted the first boat, the Valiant 40 with Bob Perry.
Lofted actually, I built the 40, the 32, and then consulted on the 47. Yeah.
Sweet. Salute. So thank you. So what do you got going on here? I like it.
Well, first of all, what I needed was a tender, a skiff for home again that had a little more volume. As the wife and I age, displacement becomes an issue. So we stepped it up to a 12-footer.
Okay.
Hard chine.
From a little Mento. From a nice rowing sailing dinghy. You've always had rowing sailing dinghies.
Yeah.
Okay.
But like I say, we needed a little more volume to hold our weight and have a little more stability when we're out on the water, away from home again. I wanted to resemble a Nonsuch, and it somewhat does. It has a plumb bow, but it's a hard chine. And the reason why I went with a hard chine is just a stability factor. So when you step in and out of the boat, tied alongside the 30, it's a little more comfortable. I'm putting
this I love. Yeah, so this is a windsurf rig, is it not?
It's a windsurf rig, right?
Which is technically a catboat. Mast forward.
Yeah. So
you're going to have the parent and the duckling kind of thing, right?
Right. Home again and home two.
Home two.
Will be side by side. The other thing, one of my goals was to use up all of the scrap wood in my shop, and I haven't bought any wood for it. All I've bought is epoxy resin to kind of glue it together, and a little bit of Kevlar. I have 2 layers of 16th inch, a total of 1/8 inch for freeboard and bottoms.
Is that cedar?
Cedar.
Okay.
Western red cedar, a veneer that was sliced. 2 layers of Kevlar on the bottom, 1 layer on the freeboard.
What do you think it weighs?
I'm not sure. Maybe I might be pushing 200 pounds getting there. The seats are a honeycomb sandwich with Western red cedar on top and a little Kevlar glass on the bottom. So
that seat weighs what?
10 pounds?
No, 3 pounds.
3 pounds?
Yeah.
Well,
it's light.
So it's all constructed that way. The only thing I haven't done is this transom's going to have a cutout. And the reason why it's going to have a cutout because the Nonsuch has a hatch garage on the companionway, and so this will nest into the hatch garage.
Oh, so you're building this so it'll go upside down under the Nonsuch wishbone?
Under the Nonsuch.
So when you're on the west side of Vancouver Island, you have to tow it.
You keep it on deck. Right. So that will work well. And hopefully it'll be light enough where the wife and I can get it up on board.
Pretty easy, yeah. You got a halyard.
Yeah.
Well, I think you're doing a great job. So it looks like you've got a centerboard trunk. I saw the centerboard back here. You got to do a little bit of transom work. You got to put it.
The rudder's built, so we're good there. All I need to do is put a gunnel on it. The boat's kind of taken a back seat lately. A couple of knee replacements, other necessities around the house that I need to get done.
Well, even though you're repowering the mothership, this has to be launched in the spring because I want to take it for a sail.
At the same time.
Same time. Look at this rig. How fun. And all repurposed.
Yeah,
windsurf
yeah.
rig and lumber you had in your shop and epoxy. Man, it's a Solstice. You're an inspiration, Mike. Keep building things, keep doing things, and sharing with our viewers. This is going to be fun.
I sure hope so. It will, the day will come when we're nestled up in a little cove, not just enough wind to make this thing move. And
That is my favorite sailing on Black
I know.
Pearl. I have my, my 12-footer, that little sprint rig. It's the best sailing, just around the anchorage.
Yeah.
All right, well, enjoy the long days, my friend, and we will get back to the repower, but keep working on the skiff.
We'll celebrate on the equinox.
There we go.